Take it out. This is free. Let's put it all together. And the other one should pop out like nothing. And it doesn't. And it, oh, come on, man. So now everything is out, and this one can go. Oh, we'll put it right over here. Bam. Nice new bolts. Guess who did that? I think you know him. I think you know him. Yeah, looks like they're all running good. Yep. Some stretch bolts, some with a tensioner. But this is not for now. So, what were we about to do? To address, the bolts right over there. Yep, you can see it right over there. Will be accessible with a wrench or maybe my other socket wrench. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Yep. No. So the problem was this was in the way, but I think like this should be fine. I'm gonna use my other one. My sturdy one, and yeah, it's even I don't know. Let's take both. Both. The ancient English is okay. So I'm gonna try it with this one. And I can put it on, but I cannot turn. Nope. Wrench says no. Then we have this one, so I can put it on and probably not be able to turn. Same problem, yes indeed. So what are we gonna do? An extension, of course, from here. And the other one, there's no need for it. Just an extension to the joint. Yep. And we do have that over here, over there, maybe even a longer one. So we have a, let's exaggerate. Should always have fun working, else you need to change your profession. Yep, look at that, beautiful. But I'm gonna use just one extension. I think this is this will do the trick. You can also use some tape to put it on here so it doesn't fall like this one. Look, but I'll put it on first and then later on the wrench. Yep, that's okay. Then I'm just gonna do this quickly. Yep, come on. Ah, that was my pinky. And it's loose. So yeah, this is doing the trick. Quite nice. Yep. First we do the most difficult one, of course. Oh. Yep. The plastic is rubbing my head and I don't like it. Ollie. WD-40 is making it fairly easier to come out. I can feel it. And in this situation, because I think it's gonna take a while, I'm just gonna take my Milwaukee and burp. You know, just burp. Up. There it is. Put my tools away. Up. Up. Bam. Make quick work of that. Yep. Oh, just a little extension. A little more. Just needed to be a little longer. Ah, fuck. Looks like, yeah. Looks like I cannot turn my my tool anymore. Okay, so we'll need to turn it back, and then the rest of the way do it manually. Aha, it's coming out, I think. Yep, but the nuts comes out by hand. Pretty tight, pretty tight. Pretty difficult with